Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best 3D printer available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Anycubic. Let's get started. Product feature. Bring your ideas to life in vivid color. With the Ace Pro system, you can print using 4 colors at once, adding a whole new dimension of personality and vibrancy to every single creation you make. For truly complex designs, you can connect 2 ACE Pro units to reach 8 different colors. This eliminates manual painting and post-processing, giving you professional results right off the print bed. Keep your filament in perfect condition with the unique drying while printing function. It removes moisture around the clock, ensuring your prints are always reliable and consistent, even during long sessions. Time is precious, and this printer respects that. Reaching speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, it works 12 times faster than standard printers, allowing you to move from concept to reality in record time. Experience the power of 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration. This hardware is built for rapid prototyping and large-scale projects, ensuring that even your most ambitious goals are met with incredible efficiency. Advanced flow correction technology manages every detail. By adjusting extrusion precisely, it prevents messy corners and material waste, leaving you with smooth surfaces and beautifully crisp edges every time. Stay connected with the Anycubic app for remote management. Plus, multi-plate document parsing makes handling complex multi-part designs simpler and more accessible for creators at any skill level. Pros: you are going to love how much time you save on every project. The combination of ultra-high-speed printing and the integrated drying system means fewer failed prints and much faster results. It's incredibly heartening to see a machine that truly understands the needs of a busy creator, making stunning multicolor artistry accessible without the headache of manual painting. Cons: while these advanced features are a dream come true, the sophisticated multicolor setup and high-speed mechanics might require a small learning curve for absolute beginners. Additionally, the footprint of using multiple Ace Pro units can take up a bit of extra space in your workshop. Final thoughts. Imagine the joy of watching your most complex, colorful visions come to life exactly as you pictured them. This printer isn't just a tool, it's a partner that helps you push past your creative limits. It empowers you to create with total confidence, knowing that every detail is handled with care. It is truly a gateway to a more vibrant and efficient creative future for everyone. Your creative journey starts today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to see more. Stay creative.